Make trade-offs clear in design docs, articulate rationale fast. Welcome. In this micro lesson, we'll show how great design docs make better decisions. Think of a design doc as a decision record. It captures not just what you chose, but why. When you spell out trade-offs openly, what you gain and what you give up, you build trust with reviewers, leaders, and future readers. Clear reasoning reduces back and forth and makes it easier for stakeholders to align quickly. The result? Faster reviews, fewer surprises, and shared confidence. By the end, you'll know how to present options, defend a choice, and leave a trail others can follow without endless meetings. Begin by naming your constraints. Call out hard limits like time, budget, and available skills. For example, 2 engineers for 6 weeks, or no new infrastructure. List non-negotiables, such as compliance requirements, SLAs, security policies, or data residency. These shape what's feasible. Then state your assumptions and known unknowns. Traffic will double next quarter, or we don't yet know peak write rates. Constraints focus creativity. Assumptions guide where to validate. When reviewers see the box you're operating in, they can judge options fairly and suggest targeted alternatives. Define the problem in plain language and set success metrics. For example, reduce checkout errors by 30% within 1 quarter. Lay out realistic options, including the uncomfortable, do nothing, baseline, often the true competitor. Then pick consistent comparison criteria so options don't talk past each other. Impact on KPI, cost, time to deliver, risk, and operational load. A crisp frame keeps debates on the objective, not preferences. If everyone agrees on the problem and the scoreboard, the best choice becomes much easier to see. Move beyond opinions. Quantify where you can. Cost, latency, risk probability, engineering effort in person weeks. Even rough ranges help. Then qualify factors that resist numbers. Maintainability, user experience, and team fit with current expertise. Support claims with evidence. Prototype results, A/B tests, logs, or industry benchmarks. If you lack data, say so, and propose how to get it quickly. Evidence-driven comparisons prevent bike shedding and give reviewers a concrete basis to agree or challenge productively. State clearly what you gain and what you give up with each option. Example, we gain a 25% latency drop but accept higher ops complexity. Contrast short-term versus long-term impacts. Speed to market now versus higher maintenance later. Finally, highlight who bears the cost and when. SRE on-call load next quarter, additional QA cycles, or customer migration effort. This transparency surfaces hidden burdens and invites mitigation ideas early, before they become production fires. Explicit trade-offs turn implicit risk into informed choice. Connect your decision directly to goals and metrics. We chose option B because it maximizes error rate reduction within the quarter. Briefly cover rejected alternatives and why they didn't fit. Too costly, missed the KPI, or uncertain delivery. Then answer, why now? Is there a renewal deadline, a seasonal traffic spike, or a dependency window? Timing matters as much as direction. A clear rationale shows you weighed evidence against objectives, not preferences, making your decision resilient under scrutiny. List top risks and their blast radius. Who or what is impacted if things go wrong? Pair each with mitigations, fallback paths, feature flags, gradual rollouts, and rollback procedures. Define telemetry, what you'll measure, error rates, latency, adoption, thresholds for action, and dashboards. Schedule decision review dates to reassess assumptions after real-world data arrives. This plan tells reviewers you're not just choosing, you're preparing to learn, adapt, and protect customers along the way. Keep the doc simple. Clear headings, short paragraphs, and, where possible, lightweight visuals like diagrams or tables to compare options. Be honest about uncertainty and call out where you need data or feedback. Close with a crisp recommendation, the chosen option, expected impact, timeline, and immediate next steps. Clarity speeds approvals, and a decisive ending prevents drift. The goal isn't perfection. It's a well-reasoned choice you can ship, monitor, and improve. Write it, share it, align fast, and move.